This is lesson 4-6, multiplication and division fact families, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math. There's only one vocabulary phrase, I guess, in this unit, and it's multiplication division facts table, and this is what it is actually. So it's a table where you can say like 3 times 6, and you can meet your fingers together and you get the answer. So you see it's 18, or 8 times 8, 64. So you just start at one number, start at the other number, multiply them together, and that's how you get the number in the middle. Or you can say, well, let's see, 64, so you take a number in the middle, 64 divided by 8 is going to equal the other number, 8. Okay, or let's see, 30 divided by 6 is going to equal 5. Alright, so that's how you would figure out the division part of it. This facts table is pretty useful when you're first learning how to multiply and divide. Okay, this facts table can be very, very helpful for you when you're first learning to do that. However, we do want kids to get fluency with these facts, so we don't want them relying on this, but it is a good tool to use. We also want kids to be able to use fact triangles, and along with this fact table, to generate multiplication and division fact families. So a fact triangle, a multiplication division fact triangle, let's see, I'm going to move this down. It looks like this, just a triangle. You've probably seen the addition and subtraction triangles. Well, the difference with this one is it has a multiplication and division in the middle. Okay, the big number is at the top, so let's just say it's 64. And then the two numbers that would make 64 multiplied together would be at the bottom. Alright, so this is an example, and then I'll give you one more example where the numbers are different. I'll do multiplication, division, let's say 12, and let's say 3 and 4. So from these triangles, from these multiplication, division triangles, we get fact families. Okay, just like we did with addition and subtraction, except these are the fact families for multiplication and division. And so it's going to be like 3 times 4 equals 12. 4 times 3 equals 12. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And 12 divided by 4 equals 3. So the big number at the top is what we'll divide to get the numbers at the bottom. So this is a set of fact families, and we want kids to recognize these connections, and we want them to find patterns, also on the fact table, and we want them to figure out these relationships between multiplication, division, fact families. So just knowing 3 times 4 equals 12, 4 times 3 equals 12, 12 divided by 3 is 4, 12 divided by 4 is 3, so it kind of works backwards like that. And just applying the turnaround rule, which is just what's shown here. 3 times 4, 4 times 3 equals the same number. Okay, those are the basic things we want kids to know. As far as how you can help with this, just please have them practicing their multiplication facts. That's the best thing that you can do to help with this at this point. Just help them get the fluency, help them use this as a tool when they need it, and help them understand the relationships between these facts and these numbers. Anytime it may come up within a natural context, or even just some time you've set aside and created to work on multiplication. So this is lesson 4-6, multiplication and division fact families, the parent help video for grade 3 everyday math. Questions?